So this is Football Forward, looking at girls' access to football and how girls and boys of primary school age think about women playing football.
They're basically learning about representation within football, especially women's football, learning about how the game is, what it's about, how it's different from the men's game, but also learning about equality as well.
So with our Football Forward programme, one of the things that we found is that young girls, especially of colour, are underrepresented in sports.
If it's just boys, it's not going to be really fair, and if it's just girls, it will be fair. So I think boys and girls should both play football.
It being the most popular sport in the UK, and with the Women's World Cup just last year, we find that women still and girls still face a lot of barriers to access in football.
So one of the things that we decided to do with this project is make sure that we're taking it to them. So we go to their schools during school hours as well, so you know they don't have to stay in after school. And we have sort of physical activity with the classes, but we also have sort of a creative workshop which allows the students to explore what they feel might be the barriers or how they want to identify when it comes to sports.
So a lot of barriers are around discrimination. Girls being told they can't play or they're not good enough. Girls themselves thinking that they can't play and they're not good enough. They've internalised that narrative.
It's important to empower girls because in the media we see a lot of men's football present on TV, and I feel like girls don't see that there also is a section for them to play and have fun.
If we can't have equality in the UK's most popular sport, then it kind of trickles down to everything else.
Women and men are equal when they're playing football.
The benefits of global learning are they're providing us with a space, with a platform for the children to really explore equity in sport.
I think girls should have the same rights as boys.
Some really positive reactions from the kids, learning facts about women's football, access to football, learning about how football is portrayed in the media, and seeing their reactions to that has been pretty priceless.
It's important that they understand that they can be whatever they want to be and do whatever they want to do in the world. That's what our job is, to kind of make sure that they reach for the highest aspiration that they can possibly do, and that's why the project is so important for us.